This is a very good exponential equation where you have to find the value of x when 27 to power x minus 9 to power x minus 3 to power x is equals to 2. To get the value of x, first we have to simplify this equation as 27 is equals to 3 to power 3 bracket power x minus 9 is equals to 3 to power 2 bracket power x minus 3 to power x is equals to 2. So as we know that a to power m bracket power n is equals to a to power m multiply n. So this is going to simplify as 3 to power 3x minus 3 to power 2x minus 3 to power x is equals to 2. Now let's assume if 3 to power x is equals to y, so this equation simplifies as y to power 3 minus y to power 2 minus y equals to 2. Further simplifying it, by 2 3 minus y square is equals to 2y square minus y square minus y can be written as 2y minus y equals to 2, which is further equals to y cube minus 2y square plus y square minus 2y plus y, transfer this here, minus 2 equals to 0. Now here take y square common, so this is y square bracket y minus 2 plus here take y common, so this becomes y minus 2 plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Now as you can see, y minus 2 is common in all of three terms, so take y minus 2 as common, so this simplifies to y minus 2 common multiply bracket y square plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now both of these terms y minus 2 and y square plus y plus 1 can be equated equals to 0, so y minus 2 equals to 0 and y square plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So here y equals to 2. As we assume here y equals to 3 to power x, so this becomes 3 to power x equals to 2. Now take log on both sides, so this is log 3 to power x equals to log 2. Keep base 3 on both sides, so this becomes log 3 base 3 is 1, so x multiply 1 equals to log 2 base 3. So x equals to log 2 base 3. This is one of the value for x. Now solving here, y equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is 1 square minus 4a is 1 and c is also 1 divided by 2, a is 1. So y equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 is minus 3, this is square root of 3i divided by 2. Therefore, now using this assumption, so 3 to power x equals to minus 1 plus minus square 3i divided by 2. Taking log on both sides, so this comes x log 3 equals to log minus 1 plus minus square root of 3i divided by 2.